about your daughter Jane? Well, Jane's always been hot. Bob, she's 50. This uncle be at the family function thinking it's Coachella or something. Bob, another beer's a little bit excessive, don't you think? I'm the youngest person in my whole family, which for whatever reason, it just means everyone has to go ahead and flame the living shit out of me. Hey, Jane, I guess you're not too good with the ladies there. But I make one joke back out of the bad guy. You don't seem to do it yourselves. Why do you feel like you with her? Am I right? How much do they feel for your roast just because you were born black? They unanimously decide everyone's personal butler. Hey, look, we're making a beer for me. Alright. Thanks. They better get started on mowing that lawn. Grass can cut itself, alright? Coming into these family functions, you think your mom is going down, but as soon as she gets the chance, she will expose your face. Throw it over her parents. You guys will never guess what I found under Jane's bed yesterday. Oh my god, what is it? Yeah, go on. What? Sometimes when my family tries to make small talk with me, they just miss the boat. So, buddy, how's those swimming lessons going for you? That took when I was 5. Yeah, right, those ones. Finished them a while ago. Oh, is that right? Well, good thing. Really started on my with the choice. Welcome to Dr. Workout for today. Looks like you got so hard. What are you feeding this kid, am I right? Oh, Bob, I think you got some food in your beard. Oh, don't worry, I'm saving it for later. Good one. Thank you. I guess everyone at the function must have all of them something. Because these jokes are cracking up like they haven't heard the same jokes past 50 function. But cousins are the same race of family function. No cousins really have no choice but to participate in tomfoolery and small talk. I've walked in trying to see that one cousin. Oh, I don't know function survival technique. You always have to say where you're coming from. Bullshit goes down, you just give each other the look and flee. And because when you get caught back on your function, you get jumped. As long as the friendships, I mean, you could have known your homie since you were 2 years old. You could have lived together. I mean, you could have lived together. But shit, the truth is, you haven't truly experienced brotherhood until you have participated in a two-man mission. Like, just look at Kobe and Shaq, man. That type of penetration can only be achieved by running a two-man. Shit, I bet these motherfuckers who run in two-man ever night. You know how Kobe was laying down that Mamba mentality while Shaq had his girl wondering, gee, what the hell is a two-man mission? Well, glad you asked. It's quite simple, really. It's when you're gonna link